life to the mystic law of cause and effect with the vibration of my voice.
On the New South Wales north coast, between legendary Angourie Point and Yamba, sits the Angourie Rainforest Resort. The Angourie Rainforest Resort Management undertook to create a unique eco-resort experience, integrating best industry practice in its concept with protection of the biodiversity and nature of the ecosystem in its creation. The result is a uniquely Australian holiday experience within a subtropical rainforest habitat. Rediscover moments past and renew your spirit and senses. Enjoy the 4.5-star quality facilities while still conforming to the new age of ecotourism's high standards. Steal a moment away with family and friends and leave your jungle behind. And when it comes to amenities, here's what the experts have to say.
This is a very big pool. I've been playing all day. And lately from holidays.
Games room and fantasy forest. Guest lounge with full-size snooker table and large screen TV. Enjoy room service or take cocktails by the pool. An informal dining room overlooking the pool offers tasty meals and snacks. If you want to char your own meal, there are several barbecue areas with ample grill space.
It's a bobby does. I've never cooked on a better barbie in my life. You want to be getting here?
From the harmless green tree snake to the vocal cicada, our focus is to promote sustainable and harmonious interaction between the resort and nature. Yamba has long been famous for its excellent fishing. Boating and sailing. Pristine beaches. Take a swing in the company of kangaroos. Rejuvenate with self-indulgence. Angourie Rainforest Resort, because it's a jungle out there.